Your social life at Sheridan is very important, but it's sometimes hard to enjoy when you've got tests, assignments, and papers due every other day. Everybody has different strengths and weaknesses academically, so we've put together a list of tips, tricks, and resources to help you with some of the basics.
First things first. Let's imagine your teacher assigned you a reading for an assignment. What's the best way to tackle this?
Oftentimes, you don't have to read the whole textbook. Look for guiding questions in the homework or check the back of the chapter for key concepts and chapter questions. These will give you a better idea of what's actually necessary to review in the chapter.
Go back, skim the chapters, and scan titles for the relevant info. Then, read the first and last sentences of each paragraph to get an idea of what it's about and whether it's worth reading. Highlight any important facts and rewrite them in a way that makes sense to you in the margins of your textbook, and jot down any questions you might have for later on in class.
Once you've identified what's important, recopy the information in whichever way will serve your learning style best. Read your notes out loud, copy them over to flashcards, make a Cornell diagram, branch off from a thought bubble, pace while you study, or use electronic resources like Cram, Quizlet, Study Blue, and Penultimate. Whatever you choose, set aside 10 minutes a week to look back over these notes, and you'll almost definitely notice a marked academic improvement.
In class, teachers will usually delve further into the subjects that you're supposed to know about ahead of time, so know your readings and keep ahead of them. That way in class, you'll only have to write down things that are unfamiliar to you to add to your notes. Either way, don't try and copy down everything that the teacher says. You'll retain information better if you use your own shorthand, such as abbreviations or acronyms and symbols.
They'll often provide a brief overview of what the lecture will be about, so organize your note-taking page accordingly, with plenty of space to write. You can use the same strategy with any podcasts, videos, or other resources that you need to review. Identify the key points, take notes, relate the concepts to your studies, and review them regularly.